Hey, Strategy Simplified. Welcome to this special bonus episode of the podcast where I'm sharing about the MC All Access Pass sale. It's a 1 day sale on our DIY consulting prep curriculum that happens tomorrow, Friday, November 22nd, 2024, where you can get the All Access Pass for 50% off. That's $350 versus the normal price of $700. Again, this sale takes place Friday, November 22nd, 2024. It ends at 11:59 p.m. PST. Head to the link in this episode's show notes to purchase. The sale will go live tomorrow morning and, of course, expire at the end of today. In the next couple of minutes, I break down what the All Access Pass is, who it might be for, what is included, and more. Let's get into it. I'm excited to usher in the holiday season with this pre-Black Friday extravaganza without any of the crowds or drama that you'd expect from a typical Black Friday sale. So we're coming at you early and we're giving you 50% off of the All Access Pass. What is the All Access Pass? It is a DIY recruitment prep curriculum that helps you get interviews, pass interviews, get the offer, and get promoted. So whether you're aiming for consulting or corporate strategy or a similar industry, this pass has it all. So let me break down what exactly the pass includes. Number one, it includes 9 video courses guiding you through recruitment from start to finish. So applications and networking, case interview prep, fit interview prep, Excel and PowerPoint training, and getting ready for day one on the job. So all that and more in engaging video courses crafted by our team. Next up, we got over 600 practice case studies with solutions. So just a whole wealth of cases for you to practice with to get ready for your case interviews. We've got these in all different firm styles. So whether you're going for McKinsey, Bain, BCG, or Big Four, or boutique, or even a firm like Capital One or Google, we've got those cases as well. The All Access Pass also includes 6 digital assessment guides. So as you probably know, many of these firms have digital assessments that you have to take before you get to any sort of interview with a real life human. And so these guides will help you prepare for and put your best foot forward in these digital assessments. The All Access Pass also includes 24 resume and cover letter templates. So if you feel like you don't have a great template for your documents, or you just want to see what best practice looks like, you can use our cover letter and resume templates. Next up, the All Access Pass includes 28 chatbot cases with solutions. So these mimic the BCG style of chatbot case that BCG has in the pre-interview screening rounds, as well as a couple other firms. Let me take a quick breath and quickly remind you what we're talking about here. We're talking about the All Access Pass 1 day sale happening Friday, November 22nd, 2024. So tomorrow, make sure to head to the link in the show notes to purchase the pass at 50% off. The sale ends at 11:59 p.m. PST, so make sure you get it in before then. All right, wrapping up with what does the All Access Pass include? We've got over 10,000 case drills. So these are different types of drills to help you get better at specific types or specific parts of the case where you're weak at, whether that's structure and frameworks, whether that's mental math. We've got mental math drills, whether that's brainstorming or creative questions, whether that's interpreting charts and graphs, or even market sizing. We've got drills in all of these, and there's just a whole bunch of them. So if you know that, hey, one of these areas is my weakness, you can go and drill down on them using the All Access Pass drills. All right. We've also got 12 industry overview primers. So these are just helpful primers to get you up to speed on different industries that you would be expected to be familiar with in your case interviews. Lastly, we've got a couple of books if you prefer kind of reading, digesting information that way versus the video courses. So in short, I know that was a lot of information, but the All Access Pass has all the resources you need to DIY the prep process and land your offer. Again, the sale expires 11:59 p.m. PST tomorrow, Friday, November 22nd, 2024. So please go check the link in the show notes then to purchase now. By the way, if you're not the DIY type and you'd like a little bit of guided help in the prep process. Black Belt or Super Prep are two premium casing programs that are going to be right for you. Links in the show notes to learn more, but essentially you'll have a coach that you'll be paired up with to guide you through the process and help tailor which resources are best for you to work with. Those two programs, Black Belt and Super Prep, do include the All Access Pass at no extra charge included in those programs. But again, last call for the All Access Pass sale, Friday, November 2nd, 2024, expires at 11:59 p.m. Pacific time. Please email us team@managementconsulted.com with any questions. Happy to answer them and hope to see you on the other side. Thanks for listening to this special episode of Strategy Simplified. Catch you with our normally scheduled programming tomorrow.